Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be creating this really cool and fabulous rainbow fish. I'd like to tell you the supplies and the materials that you will need for this project. The first thing that you'll need is a piece of paper. I use a watercolor paper, which is a paper that is made especially for watercolor paints and wet mediums. And you don't need to use the same thing, but your paper should be a little bit thicker. That way it will hold the water and the paint well. So you will need a piece of paper. The next thing that you will need is a set of watercolor paints. And the paints should have, if you want to create the rainbow fish, it should have the rainbow colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So you might want to check your set to see if it has all of those colors. You'll also need some clean water and a pretty large paintbrush. This is pretty large. If yours is not this large, that's okay. Just use what you have. Then you will need either some crayons or some oil pastels. For this particular project, I used oil pastel. However, if you don't have access to oil pastel, you can use crayon. You will also need a paper towel, just in case we need to do a little bit of blotting, or you might have a cleanup that you need to do. It's always smart to have a paper towel when you are doing an art project. And then you'll need a mat underneath your work area. You can have some newspaper, some plastic, something to keep your area fresh and clean. Alrighty friends, I'm excited about teaching this lesson to you. Let's get started.